You guys have no clue how money actually works. Tell me why a lot of you guys are praying, fasting, going to church for financial breakthrough to be able to afford beyond survival, yet this is how your life looks like. Every single day you clock in to a 9 to 5, and I don't even want to be like, oh, 9 to 5, 9 to 5, but 9 to 5 is the truth, right? You clock into a job that pays you, let's say, $15 an hour. You work 5 times a week. You know exactly what that paycheck is going to be. If you work 7 hours a day, 5 times a week, and you get paid 15, you know exactly how much you're going to get paid that week. There's no financial breakthrough because you are in agreement to that paycheck. You are in agreement to not having a financial breakthrough because you are still clocking into something that will never give you beyond that. Go ahead and pray for your boss to give you a raise. Man, what is he going to give you? $1, $2, $3, $5? It's still going to be that same amount every single day. As a daughter, as a son of the Most High, we're supposed to take possession of the land, yet the land is taking possession over us. You are there making somebody money. Some people don't even know the owner of the company. You guys just know your manager. Please tell me if you work at Chick-fil-A, which is nothing wrong with that. I worked at Chipotle for 2 weeks, but then I quit because I'm like, this is not the path I want. I never met the owner of Chipotle, yet he was making money from my labor. How do we take possession of the land as believers? Entrepreneurship. If you're working 9 to 5, there's nothing wrong with that. What you're doing with that money that you're working 9 to 5 is what's really going to make it or break it. Whether you're going to be working that 9 to 5 forever, or you're actually going to grow and expand to take possession. Let's say you make $3,000 that month. If you do not have rent and you do not have expenses, and you live with somebody who literally takes care of your bills, and you make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month, even if you make $1,000, and you're not saving that money to invest into other things. If I could live at my parents' house, never have to worry about groceries, never have to worry about car payments, or even if I have to worry about a car payment, how much is a car payment? Like a couple hundreds. Oh my goodness, if I had $1,000 a month, the first thing I would invest to is growing my knowledge and getting mentors from people who know more than me so I can be able to grow. Investing is not just crypto and stocks and this and that. You guys don't even know that. Why would you put your money in something that you can literally lose it like this? Some of you are so excited to spend $2,000 that you have into something you have no knowledge of. Go get yourself a mentor. When I tell you, when I first started, I would pay like $300 for 1 hour of mentorship. Sounds freaking crazy, right? But this freaking craziness, it got to me because now I'm where I'm at. But it took mentors. What are mentors? Mentors are people who have more knowledge than you in an area so that they're able to help you. A lot of you guys don't invest in books. A lot of you guys doom scroll. Okay, let's say you literally have not even $100 to invest. Why is there no books? Go to your local library. You know how much I would be at the local library? Get a whole bunch of books on money and anything that I was trying to grow knowledge on, I will get into that. Podcast, things that like allowed my mind to basically grow. Another thing I did is I moved around. Like I went from a little town to Dubai. Right now I'm in Miami. Needing to grow, you needed to see what's achievable for other people. Like, if you don't like to read books and watch podcasts and you need a hands-on, you need a mentor. I'm sorry. I've been doing online for probably like over 11 years, right? I did work 9 to 5. I was homeless before. I worked for customer service. I worked in sales. I worked at like food places. I did the whole shebang. Now it's been years since I've ever touched a 9 to 5. I'm not trying to like, oh my God, get me as your mentor unless you want to. But this is just why I'm telling you guys, get a mentor. Don't get me. Get someone else. Whatever you want, right? But I'm just saying. So this is one of my students, right? So this was her account before. I'm showing up on the screen. Very low view. I mentored her for 30 days. This was her account. Now, this next person is someone that I mentored for a couple months. We were able to scale. Why did they choose a mentor? Because they've been trying, they're confused, they're not seeing growth, or they don't know how to start. When someone doesn't have a certain knowledge, they pay for people's help to get their knowledge and to get their hands on an area that they don't know. The Bible says, my people perish for a lack of what? Knowledge. Investing doesn't always look like stocks and crypto and this and that. When you go outside and you go to a restaurant, you're not investing in nothing. Okay, yes, you're spending time with your friends, but then you're gonna go right back home and what? Like you gain a couple pounds and you had a good night, perfect. But tomorrow, what, are you in a better place? You're not. So you guys invested money on food, on going out, on experiences. Pause that for like a month or like 2-3 weeks, like whatever you were gonna spend there. Let's say a couple like tens or a couple hundreds, save that up, invest into something good. Like I promise you guys, everyone's spending in this economy at least 2, 3, 4, 500 a month on fast food, on going out with your friends, on this, on that. Save that, get yourself some books, get yourself a mentor, start listening to some podcasts. save up to start a business. Save to get a couple thousands and invest in a business that's gonna not only bring back that money, but it's going to multiply it. When you go out to eat, you don't multiply that money. When you go out with your friends, you don't multiply that money. And it's like a little bit of no's for a bigger yes. So yeah, you're not spending time with your friends as much for that month, but when you have the freedom of finances, then you can go even more places. Like maybe your next trip hangout is gonna be a vacation. If you're looking for a mentor though, just saying, I have great results with my students.
And I've been working with Anna for about 2 weeks. Now, before working with Anna, I had been stuck in the 200, 300 views like everyone else on TikTok. Since working with Anna, I recently got my first viral video, and it's been 2 weeks of me working with her. Biggest thing was I wanted to do it. I had the motivation. I just didn't know how to do it, and I was kind of lost. And that's where Anna came in, and you know, she's great at what she does. So I would definitely recommend her. I've only, like I said, been working with her 2 weeks, and we already got a viral video. So I'm looking forward to continue to work with her. And if you are someone who's ready to do the work and you're just kind of lost, Anna is definitely your person.
You can click the link down there to work with me. Subscribe, more videos are coming up. Love you guys. God bless.